I just wanted to make a quick video for anybody that needed help getting around the portal. So I pulled up a test patient that I created here, and I wanted to show you how to get around this page a little bit. So when you do get the form sent to you and you sign in, you're going to see that you have a little tab up here. It says My Health, and it says there's two things that need to be done. So if I click on that, you're going to see a little section down here on the left that says My Forms. And I've already filled out one already, but if you need to fill out something, you can go ahead and click on the form. You'll see that it says incomplete. You can just click over here where it says start, and you'll see that it actually pulls in the information because I just put Jim Test here, and I put the date of birth as 9/9/1999. But what I'll do is I'll go down here because we need you to initial all these parts down here. Just make sure you read through it because these are the things that this is our financial policy. So regarding insurance, if they're self-pay or all those policies that we have, this is it right here. So you can go ahead and read through and initial everything that you need to. Once you get to the bottom, it's going to pull in your name, and I'm just going to sign it as Jim Test here, and I'll do it for today's date. And then you can go ahead and submit the form. And then a second window will come up and you can submit the form there, and it'll actually finalize that form. And you'll see that it's completed here. And you'll get 3 forms as well. Just make sure you go through each one until they're completed.